Today, you'll practice real English for a visit to the doctor's office so you feel confident speaking. This is one of those situations where clear communication really matters. When you're not feeling well, it's important to explain what's happening in your body, understand questions, and feel comfortable asking for clarification. That's exactly what we'll practice together today.
That's right. Visiting a doctor can already feel uncomfortable, and doing it in another language can make it even more challenging. But with the right phrases and a bit of practice, it can feel much more manageable and even calm.
Before we begin, let's quickly introduce ourselves. My name is Anna, and I'll be guiding you through this conversation.
And I'm Leo. We're really happy you're here practicing with us today. If you enjoy these natural, real-life English conversations, please remember to like this video and subscribe to the English Talk channel. It helps the channel grow and allows us to keep creating helpful content for English learners around the world.
Just a small reminder, this is only a practice conversation for learning English. It's not a real doctor's appointment and not medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional for any health concerns.
All right, let's get into today's conversation.
It's Monday morning and I have an appointment at a medical clinic near my home. I haven't been feeling like myself lately, and after a few days of symptoms, I decided it was best to see a doctor. As I walk into the clinic, the atmosphere is quiet and orderly.
Good morning. Welcome to the clinic. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I have an appointment with Dr. Harris at 9:45.
All right. Could you please tell me your full name?
Yes, it's Anna Kolis.
Thank you, Anna. Let me pull up your file. Could you also confirm your date of birth for me?
Sure, it's April 12th, 1992.
Perfect. Please take a seat in the waiting area. Someone will call your name shortly.
Thank you very much. I sit down and glance around the waiting room. A few other patients are quietly waiting, some scrolling on their phones, others reading. After a few minutes, a nurse opens the door and calls my name.
Anna Kolis?
Yes, that's me.
Hi, Anna. Please come with me. We'll start with some basic checks.
Okay.
I'm going to check your temperature, blood pressure, and heart rate. Your temperature is slightly elevated. When something is elevated, it means it's higher than normal. That's a useful word to remember in medical situations.
Elevated. Okay, I understand.
Great. Your blood pressure looks normal, which is good news. You can sit in this room now, and the doctor will be with you soon.
Thank you. I take a seat in the exam room. A moment later, the doctor knocks and enters.
Good morning, Anna. I'm Dr. Harris. How are you feeling today?
Good morning, doctor. Honestly, I've been feeling pretty unwell.
I'm sorry to hear that. Let's talk about it. What symptoms have you been experiencing?
I've had a sore throat, a headache, and a lot of fatigue. Even after sleeping, I still feel exhausted.
I see. When did these symptoms begin?
They started about 4 days ago, and they haven't improved much since then.
Have you noticed any fever, chills, or muscle pain?
Yes, I had a mild fever last night, and my muscles feel sore, especially in my neck and shoulders.
Are you coughing or having any trouble breathing?
I have a light cough, but breathing feels normal.
All right. Are you currently taking any medication or supplements?
Just some pain medicine for the headache, nothing else.
And do you have any allergies that we should know about?
No, I don't have any allergies. The doctor gently examines my throat and listens to my chest.
Your throat looks irritated, which explains the discomfort. Irritated means sensitive or inflamed. If that word is new for you, feel free to repeat it slowly. Irritated.
Irritated. That makes sense.
Your lungs sound clear, which is reassuring. Based on what I'm seeing, this appears to be a viral infection.
Is that something serious?
In most cases, no. Viral infections usually resolve on their own with rest and proper care. Antibiotics won't help in this situation, but there are things you can do to feel more comfortable while your body recovers.
What would you recommend?
I suggest plenty of rest, drinking warm fluids, and continuing to use pain relievers if needed. It's also a good idea to avoid overworking yourself for the next few days.
Should I stay home from work?
If you can, yes. Staying home allows your body to heal and prevents spreading the illness to others.
That sounds reasonable.
Do you have any other questions or concerns?
Yes. Is there anything I should watch out for?
If your fever becomes high, your symptoms worsen, or you don't feel better after a week, you should contact us again.
All right. Thank you for explaining everything so clearly.
You're welcome. I'll write down these instructions for you before you leave.
After receiving the instructions, I head back to the front desk.
You're all set?
Yes, thank you.
Take care, and we hope you feel better soon.
I appreciate it. Have a nice day.
And that brings us to the end of today's conversation at the doctor's office.
We hope this helped you feel more confident about speaking English in a medical situation. Remember, it's okay to speak slowly, ask for repetition, and take your time.
If you found this conversation useful, please like the video and subscribe to the English Talk channel. Your support truly means a lot to us.
Thank you for practicing with us today. Keep learning, keep speaking, and we'll see you in the next video.
Goodbye for now, and take care.